From a San Diego cop locking himself in the backseat with a female detainee, to a driver refusing to exit his vehicle and getting tased, and a wild pursuit of an impaired driver going the wrong way on a busy Florida interstate. These are some of the most shocking police dash cam moments ever captured.
We're trying to block him in right now. We got him up on the curve.
On November 23, 2019, while on routine patrol, the patrol officer heard over the radio about a black Mercedes being tracked by Atlanta Police Department Officer Castro.
Mercedes. Right now.
587 Atlanta, that vehicle sucked in the wall. He's going to be going in the clinics. I need the air, please. Pit maneuver, pit, northbound. He's getting back in it. He's trying to get back in it. Coming up to North Druid Hills. Coming in for another pit. I got a vehicle on the way. I believe 786 trying to set up for another pit. We're taking the exit for North Druid Hills. Take him. I believe he's setting up for a pit. .1050, we're trying to block him in right now. We got him up there.
Upon apprehending the driver, the police detected alcohol on his breath. He refused a blood alcohol test, and the officers informed him that he would be charged.
Alright, you're gonna come with me to my car, so let's go.
He said you heard him when he said it.
Oh, let's go.
About asking me.
Yeah, this way. Walk across the street.
On August 14, 2023, around 8:38 p.m., San Diego police officer Anthony Hare and other officers responded to a suspected auto theft at Denver Street and Claremont Avenue in Bay Park. They arrested a female suspect with an outstanding bench warrant.
Alright, go ahead and stand up for me. Yeah, maybe it's easy. Roll over first, yeah, roll over. Stand right up there.
Can you get the other one?
Yeah, hold on 1 second.
I'm a bit heavy.
We're just gonna go to my car right here, okay? That's fine. Is this car okay? Alright. You're gonna come with me to my car, so let's go.
He said you heard him when he said it.
Oh, let's go.
About asking me.
Yeah, this way. Walk across the street.
Not even he said he was gonna ask me. What's up? Why are you the only mean one?
I'm not mean.
Bro, you're the only dick.
No, we can talk
Honestly,
more once we get into the car, okay? I got your.
Sorry for calling that.
I got your not your duffel bag with it, the drawstring bag. I got all of that. Your makeup.
Not really. You're doing your job. I understand. But I don't want to hate her like that. I just want.
Go step inside. Go. Why are you asking that?
Not bad. What is it gonna hurt me if I were to sleep? You know what I mean? That's what I said. If I were to
Head south on Denver Street.
if you're a
Then right on Claremont Drive.
Hare was to take her to police headquarters and then to Las Colinas Detention Center in Santee, Calif, near the detention center. Hare turned off his body camera, claiming the woman had a medical emergency. A video showed Hare demonstrating the incident, stating he accidentally locked himself in the backseat with the woman and did not call for medical assistance.
Yeah, so she was laying down, her face was over there. And then I was just like kind of right here. I was like, hey, well, at first I was like, hey, wake up. Are you okay? Blah, blah, blah. She did like, so her head was facing towards that way. And then so this is when I was shaking her. And this is when I went in. But then I don't know if I had my hand like this. And then something like that happened. And I kicked it like that. And then I was in. And then I was waking her up like this. I was like this, waking her up. While I was waking her up, I heard a door click behind me.
Okay.
Yeah. And then, so yeah, I was like this. And then, when I found out the door was clicked behind me, I positioned myself like this. And I already knew that there was no door handle, but I was just like frantic. I was like, I can't get out of here.
Okay.
And then that's when she was able to sit up here. And then I told her, you stay there, blah, blah, blah. And then I was just like hunkered down like this on my side. Noticed that this door closed on me. And then that's when I was like frantic trying to open the door, but I know there's no door opener. And then from then she was able to. So I was like this majority of the time. I was trying to get her up because her face was right here.
Okay.
Right here, and then I was trying to like wake her up to get her up. And then next thing you know, I hear the door close on me. I was frantic. I was looking, and then that's when she started to kind of like, I guess, wake up or get dazed off, whatever. And then that's when I asked her, like, hey, are you having a hard time breathing? She said, no. Do you need medics? No. I was like, okay, all right. Just stay right there. And then that's when I was trying to open the door.
Okay.
And then that's when I went on D2.
All right, you can jump up. Let's jump up.
A GPS showed his cruiser stopped on a dark residential street near the detention center at around 1:34 a.m. 20 minutes later. Hare called a fellow officer for a master key to the patrol car and was eventually let out.
Alright, sir, step out of the vehicle for me. 114 yellow. What code? She's code 4? She's code 4. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm turn this off real quick. You're right. That's the one.
On September 14th, Hare resigned and declined to participate in a scheduled interview. On November 27, 2023, a Florida Highway Patrol trooper was traveling north on Avalon Boulevard near Interstate 10 when they unexpectedly spotted a deputy's patrol car on the side of the road. The deputy informed them that there were two flat tires, while other deputies were in pursuit of a potentially impaired driver. This event required the trooper to immediately join the pursuit to assist their colleagues and catch up with the fleeing vehicle.
76 miles an hour, westbound. He's in the center lane. 2 occupants. Not pulling over. Hey, pull it over, you're going in the ditch. Pull it over or you're going in the ditch. This is the Florida Highway Patrol. Pull it over or you're going in the ditch. Are you correct? Davis right now, speeds at 70. Off, failed head attempt. Exiting, gonna be going southbound on University currently, so your bumper's off.
The second intervention attempt was successful as the suspect's vehicle lost control and veered off the road. Despite the suspect's attempt to flee the vehicle, he was eventually apprehended not far from the scene.
Get on the ground, dude! Get on the fucking ground, boy! I'm gonna fucking your ass! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Yeah, stay on the ground! Oh, look at that, baby! Hit bumper! That's what I'm talking about, old son! We'll just tell it, John. They have a weird tow policy.
Hey, what's chauffeur? Hey, put your hands up! Put your hands up! Hey, what's chauffeur? Hey, put your...
A vehicle driving in the wrong lane was instructed to stop by the traffic police. However, instead of pulling over, the driver accelerated and recklessly passed through multiple moving vehicles. The driver even ran a red light, disregarding the danger in an attempt to escape.
428 Alpha Hotel 28 Foxtrot Clifton.
202 on the roadway, right shoulder, 102 miles per hour. We'll get rescue responding to the city.
The police decided to execute a pit maneuver on the suspect's car from behind. However, the suspect persisted and reversed direction.
30 miles out, update, fine.
13 Get up. Pit. So get it. 13096 Club Whiskey on the right northbound shoulder.
The car then sped up and veered onto the sidewalk, causing damage to the undercarriage and rendering it immobile. The police arrived promptly and repeatedly ordered the driver out of the car. The driver was stuck in the vehicle and required medical assistance afterward.
So we're currently north of Epperson,
Sorry, I missed that. There was some found during your search. Say the list number of the contact you want to.
Not right now. We're technically not legally allowed to enter out of there, okay? But there's only some certain things that we're allowed to take to jail with.
We hope you found it thrilling and exciting as we ventured into the tense world of criminal pursuits together. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any exciting content in the future. Thanks, and see you again